Welcome to Tech Goods, your go-to channel for deep dives into the latest and greatest tech gadgets. If you're passionate about smart technology that makes everyday life better, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, the newest premium smartphone that combines cutting-edge hardware with AI intelligence. From its ProScaler display to its advanced camera system and powerful AI tools, the Galaxy S25 Plus is packed with features designed to impress. Let's break it all down and find out whether it truly delivers on its promises. The Galaxy S25 Plus comes in a sleek navy finish that feels both modern and luxurious. The aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass armor back give it a premium feel while adding durability. The phone is slim, lightweight, and has excellent balance in hand. Its matte surface is resistant to fingerprints, and every physical element from the power button to the volume rocker is placed exactly where you expect it. The in-display fingerprint scanner is responsive and secure, and with IP68 water and dust resistance, this phone is ready for daily challenges without missing a beat. One of the most striking features of the Galaxy S25 Plus is its 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The ProScaler technology enhances sharpness and color accuracy in real time, delivering vibrant and detailed visuals whether you're gaming, watching movies, or browsing social media. The display reaches a peak brightness of 2800 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. The 120Hz adaptive refresh rate keeps animations fluid and touch interactions incredibly responsive. With HDR support and enhanced contrast, every image and video looks immersive and true to life. Powering the Galaxy S25 Plus is the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, built for speed and intelligence. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, the phone handles everything from demanding apps to high-end gaming without any lag. App switching is seamless, background tasks run without stutter, and AI features are processed in real time. Whether you're editing videos, multitasking, or playing console-level mobile games, this phone delivers performance that feels effortless. Samsung's Galaxy AI system is deeply integrated across the device. It functions like a true personal assistant, capable of planning your day, summarizing your notifications, suggesting dinner spots, and even helping you respond to texts intelligently. You can give it a single command and it will perform multiple actions. Say, plan my evening, and it can book a table, check the weather, and send directions to your friends. This kind of contextual intelligence makes daily routines feel more intuitive and organized. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 Plus is a significant upgrade. The main sensor delivers crisp, color-accurate images in all lighting conditions. Night mode has been enhanced with AI image processing that reduces noise and boosts clarity without overexposing the scene. Low-light video also looks fantastic, with improved stabilization and reduced grain. The front-facing camera has better facial recognition, accurate skin tone rendering, and subtle background blur for polished selfies. Whether you're shooting photos or recording cinematic video, the camera suite is powerful and reliable. Samsung has introduced a new AI Select tool that takes screenshots to the next level. You can select any part of your screen and let AI handle the task. Want to translate foreign text, shop for a product in an image, or summarize a news article? Just take a screenshot, activate AI Select, and let the phone do the rest. It's useful for students, researchers, shoppers, and anyone who needs quick, contextual information on the fly. The Galaxy S25 Plus features a 4900 mAh battery that intelligently adapts to your daily habits. It learns when you need the most power and optimizes performance to extend usage. On a typical day, you can stream content, make video calls, and scroll through apps with battery to spare. When it's time to charge, the device supports fast charging that can bring you up to 65% in just 30 minutes. Thermal controls ensure that even during heavy use or charging, the phone remains cool and safe. For gamers and content lovers, the Galaxy S25 Plus is a dream. The Snapdragon 8 Elite and upgraded GPU ensures smooth gameplay with no frame drops or overheating. Games like Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and Genshin Impact run at max settings without a hitch. The stereo speakers are tuned by AKG and produce full, clear sound with punchy bass and crisp highs. Whether you're wearing headphones or using the built-in speakers, the multimedia experience is excellent. When paired with the Galaxy Watch or Galaxy Ring, the phone delivers a complete wellness dashboard, including a daily energy score. This score is calculated using sleep quality, heart rate, physical activity, and stress levels. The AI then offers suggestions for better recovery, energy balance, and productivity. Whether you're training, recovering, or just trying to stay balanced, these insights are clear, actionable, and personalized. The new Now bar on the lock screen adds even more utility to your phone. It displays glanceable information like weather updates, calendar reminders, and sports scores. You can customize it to show exactly what matters to you. The lock screen also gives you access to smart summaries, allowing you to catch up on missed calls, texts, and notifications at a glance. It's a small but meaningful upgrade that helps keep your day flowing smoothly. Samsung Wallet brings all your essentials into one secure app. Store payment methods, transit passes, digital IDs, and even car keys, all protected by Samsung Knox. With biometric authentication and real-time protection against phishing or data breaches, your sensitive information stays safe. The phone can also generate temporary access for shared keys or passwords, offering convenience without compromising security. Switching to the Galaxy S25 Plus is incredibly easy with Samsung Smart Switch. It supports transfers from Android and iOS devices and moves your photos, messages, apps, and settings in just a few steps. You can be fully set up and ready to go within minutes, without any data loss or major reconfiguration. It takes the hassle out of upgrading and makes the transition seamless. Inside the box, you'll find the Galaxy S25 Plus handset, a USB-C charging cable, a SIM ejector tool, and the Quick Start Guide. Samsung continues its eco-friendly policy by excluding the charging brick, so you may need to use your existing charger or purchase one separately. Packaging is minimal, clean, and made from recyclable materials. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus is more than just a smartphone. It is a powerful companion designed to keep up with your life and even anticipate your needs. With its stunning ProScaler display, ultra-smart AI features, excellent camera performance, and efficient battery life, this phone delivers on every front. Whether you're a creator, a business user, or just someone who values a well-rounded, fast, and intelligent device, the Galaxy S25 Plus is worth serious consideration. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Goods. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, give us a like and drop a comment below sharing your favorite feature of the Galaxy S25 Plus. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more detailed tech reviews, buying guides, and product breakdowns. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected with Tech Goods.